we were informed that you have two children in the name of Dimitri and Kyla, and a two-time councilor of Mandaue City. Of course, everybody knows Mayor Jonas Cortez. So can you please give him a round of applause?
Thank you very much, Archie, and to our beloved barangay captain, Glenn Mercedes. We also have here Francis Che. And inyong tanan, may hapon.
May hapon, sir.
Well, I've seen you're really a family man. It shows that your children love you, and today we are very fortunate to have add-on systems and Moses Technology Incorporated here in Mandaue. And this is a good manifestation that Mandaue is one of the favored capital investment capital here in Cebu. And this is something we really intend to work hard. And Archie, rest assured, my office is open and we can discuss the things out regarding your pertaining to your process. And I'm sure that you will not only touch the lives of your employees, but as well as those who intend to have a healthy, conscious lifestyle. And talking about water, I remember the story about the two bodies of water in Palestine. One is the Sea of Galilee, wherein it's a big body of water, wherein everything around it is green, there's a green pasture, and everybody loves to swim and fish from it. While the other one is the Dead Sea. As the name implies, everything around it is dead. Nobody wants to swim and fish from it because of the powerful water. What's the difference of these two bodies of water? One, there's only one river that flows into it, the river of Jordan. The difference is this: one receives and keeps, while the other receives and gives. The Sea of Galilee receives the water. It uses the water, then once it's gone to the Dead Sea. While the Dead Sea receives the water and keeps, that's what means dead. So my friends, for sure, this new business here in Manila, Mandaue City, I am sure that this will touch the lives of the employees and their families. And I pray and I hope that your business will succeed in your level. So thank you for choosing Mandaue as your site for investment, and we will work hard. As what I said, I will help you in whatever capacity that I can do. So thank you, congratulations, and God bless.
Our short program is actually dedicated more to the hard-working franchise outlets in combination of pure serve and serve. We also have franchisees here who have started less than a year, who have manifested tremendously in terms of their efforts in the distribution and marketing of the brand. One way that we know about it is, of course, through your purchases. Because when you do a lot of label purchases, you do a lot of selling in terms of bottles and events. So, we would like to first call the 16 top 20 among the top 20 franchisees. We just like to give them a recognition that what they are doing is actually for the benefit of all. Because when you see your brand being carried in another area, it's more of advertising done by another person. So can we call on the franchise and marketing officer and of course with the assistance of our dear mayor for giving the certificate. which the mayor has signed days ahead.